You take a example of नुवे what they have done. आता म्हाका सांग, हे डिफेक्टराचे उलयता थंय आतां विल्फ्रेड डिसा जो मनशाक सपोर्ट, ताचे बायल स्वता तिणें नॉमिनेशन फायल केला ऑफ नुवे कॅन्डिडेट. अँड सेम आम आदमी वॉज द पीपल हू वेंट टू विल्फ्रेड डिसाज हाऊस विथ द केक, इफ यू रिमेंबर, आफ्टर डिफेक्शन. Same Aam Aadmi is filing objections against Nelly in Kolwa, who is backed by Wilfred Disa. So I fail to understand where Aam Aadmi is heading. तांचे किती तरी some political acumen, तांचे strategy चुकल्या हातून ह्या हातून. I think it is being managed and handled from Delhi. Probably they are not taking their state president into confidence. असं दिसतं म्हाका.
तुम्ही मातशे बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट दितात अमित पालेकराक.
Nee, because the way it is going on, I mean, I really don't see Aam Aadmi as a threat or Aam Aadmi into competition for this ZP election. I don't see Aam Aadmi as a threat for us. No, because they are not there on the ground. न्ही कितें म्हणून फक्त तुवें मोहल्ला क्लिनीक लायले आनी अरविंद केजरीवालाक हाडलो आनी थोडे बशी भरून लोक हाडले म्हणून तशें पॉलिटिक्स जाता.